wondered how ethical hacking evolved in the next few years? Well, today we are going to dive into the future of ethical hacking in 2024 and explore its crucial role in the world of cybersecurity. In a world where cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated, ethical hackers are stepping up as key players in cybersecurity defense strategies. They play a vital role in identifying vulnerabilities, mitigating risks, and ultimately shaping the future of digital protection. As technology continues to advance, so do the challenges we face in securing our digital world. This is where advanced ethical hacking techniques come into play, helping to combat these evolving dangers effectively. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the emerging trends in the field of ethical hacking. From AI-driven hacking tools to the potential threats posed by quantum computing, the landscape of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Additionally, the rise of ethical hacking certifications highlights the growing demand for skilled professionals in this field. One of the most significant developments in ethical hacking is the integration of virtual reality. Imagine being able to simulate real-world hacking scenarios within a safe and controlled environment. Virtual reality allows ethical hackers to practice their skills, test vulnerabilities, and develop effective countermeasures without causing any harm. Artificial intelligence is another game changer in the world of ethical hacking. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and detect potential threats with high speed and accuracy. It also could analyze historical data on attack vectors and known vulnerabilities to predict future threats with higher precision. Ethical hackers can leverage these tools to enhance their capabilities and stay one step ahead of cyber criminals. With the rise of the Internet of Things, our lives are becoming more interconnected than ever before. However, this also poses new security challenges. Ethical hackers will play a crucial role in ensuring the security of IoT devices and preventing potential breaches that could compromise our privacy and safety. While this advancement offers tremendous opportunities, ethical considerations are more critical than ever. Let's explore some ethical guidelines that will shape the future of ethical hacking. First and foremost, ethical hackers must always obtain proper authorization before conducting any hacking activities. This ensures that their actions are legal and align with the intended purpose of securing systems. Additionally, they must respect user privacy and handle any sensitive information responsibly. The future of ethical hacking will emphasize on collaboration and knowledge sharing. Ethical hackers will work closely with organizations, sharing their expertise to identify vulnerabilities, design secure systems, and develop effective incident response plans. By fostering a cooperative ecosystem, we can collectively strengthen our defenses against cyber threats. Continued learning and staying up to date with the latest technologies and attack vectors are essential for ethical hackers. As cybercriminals evolve their tactics, ethical hackers must adopt and acquire new skills to effectively counter these threats. Continuous education and professional development will be integral to success in the field. In summary, the evolution of ethical hacking is essential in safeguarding digital assets and sensitive information. As we look ahead in 2024, it's clear that ethical hacking will continue to play a critical role in cybersecurity. AI-powered tools and the security challenges posed by the IoT will shape the landscape of ethical hacking. However, along with new opportunities, there will be challenges that need to be addressed proactively. Ethical hackers must always prioritize ethics, collaborate with organizations, and continuously enhance their skills. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of ethical hacking? Share your insights in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity trends. Together, let's stay informed and prepared for the cyber challenges that lie ahead.